Okay, real question.
Yeah?
Have you ever been at work and someone says something to you in English and you understand maybe 50% and you just smile and nod?
Oh, no. Yes. Absolutely yes.
And then you walk away and you think, wait, what did they just say?
And you're too scared to ask again because you already said yes.
Exactly. That moment is so stressful and it happens to so many people.
It really does. But here's the good news. This is English conversation practice for beginners. And today, we are going to help you feel confident at work. Welcome, everyone. You are listening to the Easy English Podcast.
The place where we slow things down, keep things simple, and practice real English together.
Not complicated English, not formal English from a textbook.
Just natural, everyday English that actually works.
If you are new here, welcome. We are so glad you found us.
And if you are back again, hey, great to see you. Let's get started.
So, today, English at work.
This is such an important topic because for so many people, English is not just a hobby. It's something they need every single day.
Right. Maybe your boss speaks English. Maybe your colleagues speak English. Maybe you have meetings or emails or phone calls in English.
And if you can't communicate, it's not just uncomfortable, it can actually affect your job.
So today, we're going to practice the most common work situations: greetings, asking for help, understanding instructions, and more.
Simple situations, simple sentences, but really, really useful.
Let's go.
Okay, let's start from the very beginning of the workday. You arrive at the office. What do you say? Listen to this first, then we'll explain. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. Ready for Monday?
Not really, but here I am.
Same. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was really relaxing. Thanks for asking. You?
It was busy, but good. Anyway, big day today, lots to do.
I know. Let's do it.
Okay, nice and simple, right?
Very simple, but this is exactly what people say in real offices every morning.
Let's look at a few key phrases. First, how are you? And the answer, I'm good, thanks.
You can also say, I'm fine, thanks, or not bad, thanks, or pretty good.
All natural, all correct. And notice, how about you? This is how you give the question back to the other person. Very polite, very natural.
How about you? Say that with us. How about you?
Good. Use that phrase. People love it. Quick teaching moment here. In English, how are you is not always a deep question.
Right. It's more like a greeting, a way to say hello.
So the answer doesn't need to be long. I'm good, thanks, is perfect.
You don't need to say, well, actually, I'm a little tired because I slept badly and my cat woke me up at 3 a.m.
Save that for your close friends. At work, keep it short and positive.
I'm good, I'm great, not bad, short, friendly, done.
Okay, next situation. This one is really important. Asking for help at work.
So many people are afraid to ask for help in English. They don't want to look stupid, but actually, asking for help is very professional.
It shows you care about doing things correctly. Listen to this.
Excuse me, do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I have a question about this report. Can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
I'm not sure how to fill in this section. Can you show me?
Yes, no problem. So you just write the date here and the total number here.
Oh, I see. That's easy. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Thanks again.
Beautiful conversation. Very real. Let's look at the key phrases.
Do you have a minute? This is how you ask if someone has time for you. Very polite. Very common.
You can also say, do you have a moment? Same meaning.
And the answer, sure. What's up? What's up means, what do you need? Or, what's the matter? Casual but friendly.
Then, can you help me? Simple, direct, perfect.
And at the end, let me know if you need anything else. This is such a useful phrase. Write it down.
Let me know if you need anything else. Say it. Let me know if you need anything else.
Let's talk about polite requests. In English at work, we use can you a lot.
Can you help me? Can you show me? Can you send me that file?
You can also use could you. It's a little more formal, a little more polite.
Could you explain that again? Could you send me the document?
Both are correct, both are natural. Can you is a little more casual, could you is a little more formal.
For most everyday work situations, can you is totally fine. Okay, this next one, so important. You receive instructions from your manager or a colleague and you don't fully understand. What do you do?
This is the situation where people smile and nod and then panic later.
We are going to fix that today.
Okay, so for this task, I need you to prepare the summary before 3 p.m. and send it to the team.
Sorry, could you repeat that? I want to make sure I understand.
Of course, prepare the summary and send it to the team before 3 p.m. today.
Got it. And who should I send it to exactly?
Just send it to everyone on the project team. You have the email list, right?
Yes, I have it. So, summary ready by 3 p.m., send to the project team. Did I get that right?
Exactly right. Perfect.
Great. Thank you.
Did you notice what happened there?
The person asked for repetition, they checked their understanding, and they confirmed at the end.
That is professional communication in any language.
Let's look at the key phrases. Could you repeat that? Asking someone to say it again.
You can also say, sorry, could you say that again? Same thing. Very polite.
And this one, did I get that right? This is how you confirm, you repeat what you understood, and you check.
Did I get that right? People love this. It shows you are careful. It shows you are professional.
Say it with us. Did I get that right?
Perfect.
Okay, let's expand a little. Work is not just one situation. Let's look at a few more.
Situation 1. You are late to a meeting.
Sorry I'm late, there was a lot of traffic. Or, sorry, I had another call.
Short, simple, apologetic. Done.
Situation 2. You don't understand an email.
You can say, could you clarify what you mean? Or, I'm not sure I understand. Can you explain a little more?
Situation 3. You need more time to finish something.
I need a little more time. Can I send this tomorrow? Or, I'm still working on it. I'll finish by end of day.
These phrases save you, seriously.
And situation 4. Someone asks you to do something you don't know how to do.
Don't panic. Just say, I haven't done this before. Can you show me how?
Honest, professional, and most people will be happy to help.
Nobody expects you to know everything, especially in a new job or in a second language.
One more conversation. The end of the day. Because how you say goodbye at work also matters.
Okay, I think I'm done for today. Are you leaving soon?
Yes, just finishing this email. 5 more minutes.
Okay, well, have a good evening.
You too. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.
Simple, friendly, natural.
Have a good evening. See you tomorrow. Good night. These are the phrases you say at the end of every workday.
You can also say, have a good one. That means have a good day, evening, weekend, anything.
Very casual, very friendly. People say it all the time.
All right, practice time. Say these sentences out loud, right now. Don't wait.
Repeat after us.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Do you have a minute?
Can you help me?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Could you say that again, please?
Did I get that right?
Let me know if you need anything else.
I'm not sure I understand. Can you explain?
I need a little more time.
Sorry I'm late.
Have a good evening.
See you tomorrow.
Great work, everyone. Say them again if you need to. The more you say them, the more natural they feel.
Your mouth needs the practice just as much as your brain.
Let's do a fast review. The most important phrases from today.
1. Do you have a minute? Asking for someone's time.
2. Can you help me? Asking for help politely.
3. Could you repeat that? When you don't understand.
4. Did I get that right? Checking your understanding.
5. Let me know if you need anything else. Being helpful and friendly.
5 phrases. Use them starting tomorrow, at work, for real.
They will make a big difference. I promise.
Okay, here is your challenge for today.
Go to the comments below and write one sentence in English. something you might say at work.
For example, good morning, do you have a minute?
Or, sorry, could you repeat that?
Or even just, I'm good, thanks.
Anything. One sentence in English in the comments.
And if you see someone else's comment, reply to them. Practice the conversation right there.
That is real English practice, and it costs nothing.
And that is our episode for today. English conversation at work.
You now have real phrases for real situations. Morning greetings, asking for help, understanding instructions, and saying goodbye.
That is a lot. You should feel good about that.
And remember, you don't need perfect English to do well at work. You need clear English, simple English, confident English.
And confidence comes from practice, and you are already practicing right now by being here.
So be proud of that. Keep going. Every day, a little bit better.
If today's episode helped you, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more learners just like you.
And subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss a new episode.
We will see you next time on the Easy English Podcast.
Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.
Bye.